Good morning, children. Now we are going to write the classwork. Okay? Lesson 2, Life Process, Reproduction, Growth and Development in Plants and Animals, Life Process 2. Okay? Already first lesson written, yes? Everybody written in your classwork note first lesson? Now second lesson. Second lesson. Choose the most appropriate option. Appropriate option. Number 1. Cutting can be carried out in rows, packed, both A and B, D neither A nor B. Answer is both A and B. Rows, packed, A and B. Rows, packed. Okay. Sebaceous glands are oil glands. Sebaceous glands are oil glands. OILGLANDS. Oil glands. A. Okay. Oil glands. Ginger is an example of corn, bulb, tuber, rhizome. D is the correct answer. Rhizome. Ginger is an example of rhizome. 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 Okay. Everybody tick in the book. Okay. These all in the book you do in your book. Okay. Number 4. Metamorphosis is seen in cockroach, crab, prawn, tadpole. Metamorphosis is seen in cockroach. Cockroach. A. Cockroach. Number 5. Binary fission can be seen in amoeba, yeast, bacteria, all of these. Binary fission can be seen in all of these. Amoeba, yeast, bacteria. All of these. Okay. Stigma is a part of anther, sepal, stamen, carpel. Stigma is a part of carpel. Carpel. Okay, children. Carpel. Yes. Choose the most appropriate answer. Written everybody in the book. Yes, next one. Fill in the first question. The hormones released by the testes are dash. The hormones released by the testes are testosterone. 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 Second one, the hormones released by the ovaries are estrogen. OESTROGEN. Estrogen. Estrogen. Hormones released by the ovaries are estrogen. Okay. Estrogen. Third one, the dash is the future root of the plant. Dash is the future root of the plant. Radicle. Radicle. The radicle is the future root of the plant. Next one, question number 4. The dash is the future shoot of the plant. Future shoot of the plant. Plumule. Plumule. Future shoot of the plant. Plumule. 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 The plumule is the future shoot of the plant. Post-fertilization ovule forms dash. Post-fertilization ovule forms the seed. Seed. Sixth one. Post-fertilization ovary forms the fruit. Post-fertilization ovary forms the fruit. Fruit. Okay. First testosterone, second one estrogen, third one radical, fourth one flammule, fifth one seed, sixth one fruit. Okay children, everybody return. Everybody return these all. Yes. Write fast everybody. Give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. First question. End of menstrual cycle. End of menstrual cycle. Menopause. 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 End of menstrual cycle. Menopause. Process by which the last part of an animal's body can be produced. Regeneration. 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 Okay. Process by which the last part of an animal's body can be produced. Regeneration. Regeneration. Third one, a reproductive cell, reproductive cell, reproductive cell, gamete. The reproductive cell, gamete, gamete, Gamete. Number 4, changes in the characteristic of an organism during development. Changes in the characteristic of an organism during development. Metamorphosis. 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 Changes in the characteristic of an organism during development. Metamorphosis. Question number 5. An animal having both male and female reproductive organs within itself. Hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite. An animal having both male and female reproductive organ within itself. Hermaphrodite. 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 Number 6. The period of life when the body attains sexual maturity. Adolescence. 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 Next one. Name the following organ. Name the following organ. Where fertilization takes place in humans. Where fertilization takes place in human. Oviduct. 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 Next question. Where development of embryo takes place in humans. Where development of embryo takes place in humans. Uterus. 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 Next question. Which is a common passage for urine and male gametes? Which is a common passage for urine and male gametes? Urethra. Which is the common passage for urine and male gametes? Urethra. 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 Number 4. That is the passage for the male gametes to be transferred from the testes. That is the passage for the male gametes to be transferred from the testes. Vas deferens. Vas deferens. Vas deferens. Number 5. That carries out sexual reproduction in plants. That carries out sexual reproduction in plants. Flower. Flower. That carries out sexual reproduction in plant. Flower. Sixth question. Question number 6. Question number 6. That bears the ovules. That bears the ovules. Ovary. Ovary bears the ovules. Ovary bears the ovules. That is ovary answer. Write the answer ovary. First answer is oviduct. Second one uterus. Third one urethra. Fourth one vas deferens. Fifth one flower. Sixth one ovary. Okay. Next one. Give 2 examples for the following. Give 2 examples for the following. 2 examples. Everyone two examples will give. Okay. Organisms reproducing by binary fission. Organisms reproducing by binary fission. ரெண்டாக டிவைட் பண்றது. ரெண்டா டிவைட் பார்க்கும். Binary fission. Organism reproduced by binary fission. Amoeba, Paramecium. Amoeba, Paramecium. Organism producing by binary fission. Amoeba, Paramecium. Organisms reproducing by budding. Organisms reproducing by budding. Budding method. Budding reproduction method. Example, Hydra, corals. Hydra, corals. Hydra, corals. That is the answer of organism reproducing by budding. Budding. Okay. Third, organisms reproducing with the help of spores. Organism reproducing with the help of spores. Ferns, mushrooms. Ferns, mushrooms. Organisms reproducing with the help of spores. Ferns, mushrooms. Ferns, mushrooms. Okay. Organism reproducing with the help of spores. That examples, ferns. F-E-R-N-S. F-E-R-N-S, ferns. And mushrooms. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Okay. Next one. Question number 4. Organisms reproducing by regeneration. Organisms reproducing by regeneration. Planaria, Hydra. Planaria, Hydra. Organism reproducing by regeneration. Planaria, Hydra. P-L-A-N-A-R-I-A. Hydra, H-Y-D-R-A. Planaria, Hydra. Two examples. Next one, number 5. Plants propagated by layering. Plants propagated by layering. Jasmine, rose. Jasmine, rose. Plants propagated by layering. Jasmine, rose. Question number 6. Question number 6. Plants propagated by buds on the underground storage stem. Underground storage stem, that is potato ginger only. Here plants propagated by buds on the underground storage stem. Potato, ginger. Potato, ginger. That is the example of underground storage stem. Buds on the underground storage stem. Okay. Buds on the underground storage stem. Okay. First, organism producing by binary fission. 2 example, amoeba, paramecium. Organism reproducing by budding, hydra, corals. Organism reproducing with the help of spores, ferns, mushrooms. Organism reproducing by regeneration, planaria, hydra. Plants propagated by layering, jasmine, rose. Plants propagated by buds on underground storage stems, potato, ginger. Okay children, everybody written this on? Yes. Now everybody take your classwork note. These are written in the book, yes? Yes or no? Now we are going to write the classwork note. Define the following. Define the following. Question number 1. Fertilization. Fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of the male and female gametes to form the fertilized cell called the zygote. Fertilization is the process of fusion of the male and female gametes to form the fertilized cell called the zygote. Define fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of the male and female gametes to form the fertilized cell called the zygote. Have you written, children? Yes. Next one. Question number 2. Development. Development. Development is the formation of new tissues and organs of the organs from the single cell. Example, zygote develop into the fetus, which goes on to develop into the baby. Development is the formation of new tissues and organs from the single cell. Example, zygote develops in the fetus, that is a single cell, which goes on to develop into the baby. ஒரு single cell ஒரு பேபியா மாறுது. Zygote develops into a single cell. That is, zygote is a single cell that develop into the baby. That like more cell will form. Development is the formation of tissues and organs from the single cell. Example, zygote develops into the fetus, which goes on to develop into the baby. Question number 3. Pollination. What is pollination? Define pollination. Pollination is the transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower. What is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of flower. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower. Question number 4. Question number 3, everybody written. Now question number 4. Placenta. Question number 4. Placenta. Placenta is the circular disc-like region on the uterine wall where the embryo by fetus attached itself in order exchange of the nutrients, respiratory gases and waste materials to take place between the mother and fetus. Between the mother and fetus. Placenta is a circular disc-like region on the uterine wall where the embryo or fetus attached itself in order exchange of nutrient, respiratory gases and waste materials to take place between the mother and fetus. மதருக்கும் குழந்தைக்கும் காணப்படுத கனெக்ஷன் தான் பிளசண்டா. அதான் தொப்புள் கொடி, தொப்புள்ல இருந்து ஒரு கொடி போய் கனெக்ட் பண்றது, அம்மாவோட கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. Placenta is a circular disc-like region on the uterine wall where the placenta embryo fetus attach itself in order exchange of nutrient, respiratory gases and waste materials to take place between the mother and fetus. That is placenta. Okay, write fast. Write neatly. Everybody write neatly or not? Placenta is the circular disc-like region on the uterine wall where the embryo fetus attach itself in order exchange of nutrient, respiratory gases and waste material to take place between the mother and fetus. Okay. Everybody written, children? Next. Question number 5. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. What is Adam's apple? தொண்டையில் ஒரு உயர்ந்து இருக்கணும், தொண்டை பகுதியில் ஆண்களுக்கு. Adam's apple. Adam's apple is the protruding cartilage of the larynx that develops in the male during adolescent. Adolescent period ஆகும்போது ஒரு வளர்ச்சி உண்டாகும். அப்போ ஆடம்ஸ் ஆப்பிள் மாதிரி ஆதாமுடைய ஆப்பிள். Okay, Adam's apple is a protruding cartilage of the larynx that develops in the males during adolescence. During adolescence. Adam's apple is the protruding cartilage of the larynx that develops in the males during adolescence. Okay. Next one. Dispersal of seed. Dispersal of seed. Dispersal of seeds in their scattering away so that they do not crowd around the mother plant and are able to get sufficient space, nutrient, and water for their growth. Dispersal of seeds in their scattering away so that they do not crowd around the mother plant and are able to get sufficient space, nutrients, and water for their growth. Yes, dispersal of seeds. Write fast, everybody. Dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds in their scattering away so that they do not crowd around the mother plant and are able to get sufficient space, nutrients, and water for their growth. Dispersal of seed. Dispersal of seed. Everybody written, children. Okay, this all question everybody written. Define the following. This 5-6 question everybody written the classwork note. Yes, first fertilization, development, pollination, placenta, Adam's apple, dispersal of seed. These are the define the following. Okay, children, everybody written. This 5 question everybody study. Okay, this 5 question everybody study. 6 question everybody study properly. Okay, yes. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer. Name them. Okay. Give one word answer. Name the following. Give 2 example. That also everybody study. Okay. Study, fill in the blanks and choose the correct answer. Fill in the blanks and choose the correct answer. Everybody study. Yes, your test will come soon. So, you study these question answers. Fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer. Okay. One more time I will say, cutting can be, choose the correct answer. Cutting can be carried out in rosette cacti. Sebaceous glands are oil glands. Ginger is an example of rhizome. Metamorphosis is seen in the cockroach. Binary fission can be seen in amoeba, yeast, bacteria. That means all of these. Stigma is a part of carpel. Fill in the blanks. The hormones released by the testes are testosterone. The hormones released by the ovaries are called estrogen. The radicle is the future root of the plant. The plumule is the future shoot of the plant. Forced fertilization ovule forms seed. Forced fertilization ovary forms the fruit. Okay. These all everybody study. Classwork everybody write all. Okay. Yes. Study this lesson properly. Okay, children. Everybody study this lesson properly. This fill up, choose, study, question answer study. Okay. Yes. First 2 lessons. Next week test. Okay. First 2 lessons. Everybody study properly all questions. Not only fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer. Every question you study it. Okay. Yes. Study properly, children. This your exam, half-yearly exam also will come. So you study properly. Yes, the spelling or hard spellings are there. You study these all spellings. Okay, spellings. Don't commit mistake. You study the spellings. Okay. Yes. Somebody studying, somebody not studying. Yes. Yes, children. Somebody not studying. Study everybody. Okay, children. Everybody study properly. Write the homework properly, send your homework daily, that same day you send it, okay? Yes, write neatly, that is your good character. Write neatly, draw neatly in your classwork note, okay? Yes, okay children, thank you.